You guys, so here's my dilemma, and this is my problem every single time I eat out. The number one reason why I hate France. Hi Fairs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, happy Sunday. It's Sunday. Your pee-pee already. It's because you just passed the spot that mama make your pee-pee the last time. You guys, we are heading to church. Walk? Walk. He wants to walk. 1 minute he wants Papa to carry him, and next minute he wants to walk. You guys, we are heading to church on this beautiful Sunday morning. Though it's not beautiful outside at all, it is so cloudy. We're heading to church. It's Sunday morning. We haven't gone to church in a while, so we're going to church this morning. Since we don't have anything planned for today, we're heading to church. As a fan, bam, babe.
Hi guys.
And little Tyler is there. Hold his hand for me, please.
Tyler,
go. Go, go baby, go. No. Or walk beside him. We're going straight. He's there with his little cute self, bended knee, bend of foot. Look at him. See the bus there? See the bus there? Tyler! You guys hilarious. I turned to catch the bus just now. Yeah. The bus came faster than we expected.
Is it a bus?
And this is Tyler all day when he's in the bus. Talk, and non-stop talking. He said, Mama, you're in the bus 73. Mama, you're in the bus. And if somebody come in the bus, he points at us and he said, say Mama and Papa. He's telling them that this is Mama and Papa. He's so funny. So we are going to church. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful Sunday, whether you're going to church or school, or if you're staying home, or whatever it is that you're doing today. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. We're heading to church and then see what the day holds. So we'll talk to you guys in a bit. You guys, we'll take a little pause by the beach because of course we are in advance for church. We're forever in advance. So we are taking a break. Ty! Say hello! Good morning, Febs.
It's cold to eat here.
Well, people don't care about cold. They're still dining outside. Ty, say morning, Febs. Look here. Morning, Febs. It is cold. I mean, it's cold to dine outside like that, but people still dining outside. Look, they're setting up, and I'm sure they actually have customers already, and there'll be more. You guys look how beautiful the water is. So pretty. It's so peaceful and calm just looking at it. People chilling, people fishing, people eating. Oh, it's the one that Jen and we went with Jen. Oh my God.
What a struggle to be a parent. The kids don't care.
What a life. Tyler. Oh no. Make Tiger stay here, so guys, this is my outfit of the day. Jesus, Ty. Let Tiger stay in here, okay? Let him stay there.
Hi guys.
You hear what he said? Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, that's what he said. Hi guys. Say hi face. Tyler say hi guys. He's so getting used to the YouTube live, huh? This is our first time back at church for the new year. First time back at church since the new year. First time back at church since 2018. Give it to Mama. So it's good to be back at church. Friday soon come. Hey guys, we are at lunch. We left church. Church was good. Tyler was well behaved, apart from his loud screaming at some point, shouting at Mama, Papa, Pee Pee. You ready for lunch?
Baby. Mama. Oh. Mama. Baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Baby.
Go let Papa carry you. So,
Mama.
oh Pee Pee. Honey. Go with Papa. So we're having salad first, and then our meal will come in a bit. So this is what salad looks like. I don't know why they give me all this sauce. I'm just gonna push this aside. So Tyler food came. Tyler, what you having? What is this?
Kitchen.
And what is that?
Bag.
And what is this?
Juice.
Yeah. And of course he's shouting for his ketchup. She's gone for the ketchup for you, okay? Chin. I love you too.
On the whole.
Tyler, chin. Chin. Hold it. Put it down. Put it down. You want juice?
It's good. Yeah.
Is it done? She came with the ketchup?
Not yet.
You want beans from Mama plate? Tell her I wanted my beans. Beans and ketchup. Tell her bite it. Good boy. He loves beans. So I am having beans and chicken wings, and baby's having ribs and fries. I'm trying not to eat any fries. Bon appetit. Food is going down, and Tyler is well on his way with his. Look at him. Yummy? It's yummy? It does smell good.
Papa and fries.
Yeah, Papa have a lot of fries.
Mama.
You guys, so here's my dilemma, and this is my problem every single time I eat out. The number one reason why I hate France is when I eat out and I'm full like this, I cannot carry home the rest of this because they don't allow you to take this out. Tyler have that leave and he can't take it. How is this possible? No, they throw away all this food. That's not cool. Why? I don't see why they can't allow you to take that. But rules is rules, and you have to go by the rules, and tradition is tradition, and you have to do what they do. But it just not cool to me. In Jamaica, we carry home more leftovers. You just ask for a box, you pack your food, or you give it to them, they pack it, and you get to take home your food.
You pack it yourself.
You pack it yourself or they pack it, whatever you decide to do. But whichever way is either you want to pack it or they pack it, whatever you decide to do. Anyway, I'm not a fan of this, and this is on my #1 list of problem I have with France in comparison to Jamaica. Nada, not happy. I'm not happy at all. You guys, babe and I are having a huge fight. Huge fight. Wait, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me, what do you guys prefer? Caramel topping on your cheesecake or strawberry topping on your cheesecake? I am strawberry all day every day, and baby's caramel not stopping. So comment down below and let's see who is going to get the most of caramel and cheesecake, and that's Tyler's dessert that he didn't touch as yet. More likely is babe gonna eat it.
Et ça c'est combien?
50.
Bravo! Allez, continue ici.
De 1.
Non, ça c'est un. Combien ça? Ça c'est quoi?
40.
Non, 40 c'est celui-là. Ça c'est combien?
50.
50. Alors ça c'est combien?
51.
Oui.
52.
Oui.
53. 54. 50. 55.
Oui.
50. 56.
Oui.
57. 58. 59.
Ça c'est combien?
6.
Oui, et les deux ensemble, ça fait combien?
6.
60.
60.
Hi guys, yeah, I'm coming here to end the vlog. We went bed early yesterday, and I wanted to get up to watch the Super Bowl game. So here I am. Hope it's gonna be a good game. Hope I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.